If you have poor circulation in your legs, you've probably tried a pile of supplements that did nothing. Cold feet, heavy calves, numb toes, that I can't walk far anymore feeling, and every bottle promises the world. Here's the harsh truth. Most supplement blends are too weak, too scattered, and too low dose to noticeably help blood flow in older adults. They're built to look impressive on a label, not to actually support circulation in real life. But your body doesn't need 19 random ingredients. It needs 3 specific nutrients that work like a team. One that opens up narrow vessels fast, one that helps your vessels stay flexible instead of stiff, and one that fuels your body's natural keep the vessels open signal. Stay with me, because vitamin number 3 only works if you take it at the right time of day. Miss that timing, and many seniors feel no difference at all. Now, quick note, this is general education, not medical advice. If you take blood thinners, have diabetes, liver issues, or are on circulation or heart medication, talk with your clinician before high-dose supplements. All right, let's build your circulation plan, starting with vitamin number 1, the cleanup crew. Because poor circulation usually comes from 2 big problems in older legs. 1, constricted vessels, your pipes get narrow, and 2, sticky or sluggish blood, your flow gets thick. When that happens, blood moves like traffic on a 1-lane road. Your feet get cold, your legs feel tired and heavy, and walking starts to feel like work. Niacin supports both problems at once. The exact form matters. This is where most seniors get it wrong. You want the flushing form, also called nicotinic acid. That temporary skin warmth or redness, that's the flush, and it's a sign your small vessels are opening up. You'll see non-flushing versions sold everywhere because they're more comfortable. But for circulation, seniors usually report better results with the flushing type. Start low and build slowly. Niacin is powerful, so respect it. Start with 250 milligrams once daily with a meal. After about 2 weeks, if you tolerate the flush, fine, increase to 500 milligrams once daily. That range is where many older adults notice warmer feet and lighter legs over time. If you have liver concerns, diabetes, or take cholesterol or blood pressure meds, your doctor may want to monitor you before you go higher. What the flush feels like: warmth, mild redness, maybe a bit of itchiness across face or chest. It usually lasts 15 to 30 minutes and fades. Most seniors find that after a few weeks, their body adapts and the flush becomes much milder. Why it supports circulation? Niacin helps in 2 ways. 1, it relaxes vessel walls, vasodilation. Think of your blood vessels like a garden hose. When the hose tightens, flow slows. Niacin helps that hose relax and widen temporarily, so blood can move easier. And 2, it improves flow quality. Many seniors describe circulation as thick, slow, or stuck. Niacin supports smoother flow through those widened vessels. Niacin is the cleanup crew. It opens narrow vessels and improves flow. Use the flushing type and work from 250 to 500 milligrams daily. Now here's a mini cliff. Even if your vessels open, they won't stay open long if they're stiff and brittle. That brings us to vitamin number 2, the flexibility fixer. Vitamin number 2, vitamin K2, the flexibility fixer. Picture 2 pipes, a brand new rubber hose and an old brittle plastic tube. Which one carries flow better? Rubber, because it bends, expands, and responds. After 70, many blood vessels lose that rubber quality. They get stiffer, less responsive, and blood struggles to push all the way down into your feet. K2 helps support vessel flexibility, which is huge for seniors. You need K2, not K1. K1 is for clotting. Good nutrient, but not the one we want here. You want K2, form MK7. MK7 lasts longer in the body, so it keeps working through the day. The dosage: 100 to 300 micrograms mcg daily. Micrograms, not milligrams. It's a small dose but potent. Take it with a meal that contains fat because it's fat-soluble. Why K2 supports circulation?
Here's a simple way to understand it. Over time, calcium can drift into places it doesn't belong, like soft tissues. When calcium settles into vessel walls, those walls stiffen. Flow gets restricted. KQ helps guide calcium away from vessels and towards bones. That supports vessels staying softer and more flexible, which supports better flow down to your legs. K2-MK7 is the flexibility fixer, supports vessels staying supple and less stiff. Take 100 to 300 micrograms daily with food. Now we've cleaned the pipes and supported flexibility, but there's one more piece seniors need, a nutrient that fuels your body's own vessel-relaxing signal. Because the timing on vitamin 3 is the part most seniors miss. By the way, comment below what poor circulation feels like for you. Cold feet, numb toes, leg heaviness, or cramping. I'm reading every comment and I'll make a follow-up video for the most common problems seniors mention.
Vitamin number 3, vitamin C, the opening signal. Most people know vitamin C for immune support. But for circulation, it plays a different role. It supports the health of the endothelium, the inner lining of your blood vessels. That lining helps your body make a key messenger called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is like your body's "open the vessel now" signal. When it rises, vessels relax and blood flow improves. The best form for seniors. High doses of regular vitamin C can upset the stomach. So for circulation level dosing, pick buffered vitamin C, gentler on digestion, or liposomal vitamin C, absorbs well, easy on the gut. The dosage: 1,000 milligrams, 1 gram, once or twice daily. That's a meaningful dose that supports nitric oxide availability. The critical timing detail. This is the detail I teased in the hook. For most seniors, vitamin C works best when taken earlier in the day. Why? 1. Some people feel a mild energy lift from C. Late dosing can disturb sleep. And for seniors, shallow sleep equals worse circulation recovery. 2. You want nitric oxide support during activity. Your legs need help when you're standing, walking, moving. That's daytime. So front-load vitamin C to support flow when you need it most. Vitamin C is the opening signal. It supports nitric oxide, your natural vessel relaxer. Use buffered or liposomal 1,000 milligrams 1 to 2 times daily before evening. Why most multivitamins fail for circulation? Here's the honest reason so many seniors feel stuck. Multivitamins are designed to prevent deficiency. They are not designed for therapeutic circulation support. Typical multivitamin doses versus what seniors need for circulation. Niacin, multivitamin 10 to 20 milligrams versus circulation plan 250 to 500 milligrams. K2, multivitamin usually none or K1 only versus circulation plan 100 to 300 milligrams MK7. Vitamin C, multivitamin 60 to 100 milligrams versus circulation plan 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams. So you're not doing anything wrong, you're just not getting the right dosage with blends. Safety notes for seniors. Niacin. High doses can interact with some meds and health conditions. If you have liver issues, diabetes, or take cholesterol meds, ask your doctor before increasing dose. K2. If you take blood thinners, talk to your prescriber first. They might need to monitor or adjust dosing. Vitamin C. Usually safe, but high doses may cause digestive looseness in some people. Buffered or liposomal forms help. What results seniors can expect? You're not looking for a miracle overnight.
You're building a 90-day circulation comeback. Week 1 to 2, you notice the niacin flush. Some seniors feel a mild warmth in feet or hands. Your goal here is consistency and tolerance. Weeks 3 to 6, niacin plus vitamin C synergy builds. Many seniors report legs feeling less heavy, feet warming sooner, less dead weight after walking, and improved skin color in lower legs. Month 3 and beyond. This is when K2's flexibility support matters most. Flow becomes more resilient, more consistent, and less crash-prone. The seniors who feel the biggest changes are usually the ones who don't skip days. Let's lock it in. 1. Niacin, B3 flushing or nicotinic acid, 250 to 500 milligrams daily with meals. Cleanup crew, opens narrow vessels and supports smoother flow. 2. Vitamin K2 MK7, 100 to 300 milligrams daily with food. Flexibility fixer, supports supple vessels. 3. Vitamin C buffered or liposomal, 1,000 milligrams once or twice daily before evening. These 3 cover opening, flexibility, and signaling, the core triad seniors need. Your next step. Don't overcomplicate this. Start tomorrow like this. Morning, vitamin C 1,000 milligrams. Lunch, vitamin C 1,000 milligrams, optional second dose. Dinner, niacin 250 milligrams. Any meal, K2 MK7 100 to 300 milligrams. Commit to 90 days. Because this isn't just about numbers, it's about warmer feet, lighter legs, longer walks, more energy, more freedom. Your legs are not done, they're just under-supported. And now you know exactly what to give them. If this helped you, subscribe, because next week I'm sharing a simple 3-minute walking routine that helps these vitamins work even better for seniors.